Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SAT Math Tutorials. So today we have a problem in front of us where we have a square root and then we need to solve for x. So the problem is this: if a equals 5 square root 2 and 2a equals square root of 2x, what is the value of x? So that is that's the question. So basically we need to solve for we need to solve for x, and here's the equation. So the problem, so a is given, right? So a is given. We know that a is this. So basically we just plug it in and see what's going on. So a is 5 square root of 2. So we rewrite this as 2 times 5 square root of 2 equals square root of 2x, right? So here we have 2 times 5 square root 2, so then we have 10 root 2 equals square root of 2x. Okay, so now we have that. We need to get rid of the square root on the right side here, right? So we need to isolate for the x. So how do we isolate it for the x? First thing first, we need to remove the square root, right? So in order for you to remove the square root, then you put a square on both sides, right? So you do this on the square. If you put the square on the right side, then you need to put the square on the left side, right? So here, once you put the square, then that's how you get rid of the square roots. On the right side, you have 2x, right? Here, it's the same thing as 10 to the square times 2, right? Because the square here will eliminate the square root of 2, so that's become 2. 10 to the square, I keep 10 to the square, I don't want to multiply out just yet, right? And then here, so now you want to isolate for the x, so basically you divide both sides by 2. So basically you have 10 square equals x, and that's the value of x. That's how you solve these kind of questions here. So basically the thing that we need to pay attention to is the square root of x here. Because we have the square root of x, in order for us to do that, we need to put square on both sides. I think that's the trick to this equation here. I'm sure there's the other way to solve, but these are the steps that I think we have to follow. But once you practice this multiple times, or a lot of times, then you can come up with shortcuts and stuff. But I think these are the steps that I would take to solve this equation. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you are going to take the exam anytime soon, then I wish you the best of luck. And again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.